Hi there, my name is Fungaita Rokera, and today I'll be talking about a very heartbreaking topic which is mostly affecting our youth today. I'll focus mostly on teenage drug and substance abuse. In most cases, we've heard our youth saying, "There's nothing wrong with smoking. My father started smoking when he was 9 years old. Look at me, I'm 12 years, I'm old enough, and next month I'll be a teenager. So you see, I'm better than my dad." Some will say, "There's nothing wrong with smoking. Most of my family members are doing it, and even my friends at school. It's fun." It's sad, very, very sad. 10% of our children who later turn into addicts have learned it from the home. Children tend to learn culture in the family as they grow up. It used to be a street thing, drugs, substance abuse in the corners of all the streets. But today it reigns in the family. It starts with a small stub, goes to a pull, 3 pulls, until it's a full cigarette. A sip from leftover beers, it's half a bottle next time, and the next thing, it's a full table. Most parents and family members have become addicts, and children follow the same trend. They see nothing wrong with it, because no one says it's wrong. No one tells them that it's wrong. No one warns them about the consequences thereof. As a street vendor, I sadly watch each and every day as children walk from school, pass through corners, buy a small pack of dagga, sit there under the tree or by the corners, smoking and puffing like it was never bad, like it's something that they were born with. No one shows any concern. Everyone passes by just watching them. No one reprimands them. No one tells them the consequences. No one cares, because it's fun, as they say. Robberies have accelerated. Appliances and accessories are sold in the street close to nothing, just to get money for a fix. We are killing the future of our children. We need to do something. I'm calling upon the community. I'm calling upon you and me to join hands, to join forces, and fight against drug abuse. Let's help our children have a better future. It's our duty as parents, as adults, to give them a better future. Log into our website. Share your thoughts. Give your contribution. It will change your life. See you next time.